Blizzard, may I ask you a question? What the fuck are you on? If Blizzard, you're asking, okay, why did you ask this in the first place? One, I don't know how many games have battle passes, but I know for a fact there's, like, way more than there should be. Like, stop trying to pull in more money. If you want that, then make your game more expensive. Or at least increase the prices of everything else. Stop. You did loot boxes last time. Now you're doing a fucking battle pass. Just because it's more popular nowadays? The fuck? You were bringing back loot boxes, which made everyone happy and shit. Now you bring in a freaking battle pass, and you're like, and now everyone's just like, well, people with no money, like my family, are more like, the fuck? Like, I'm fine with the challenge part. I'm fine with that. I'm just not fine with the fact of a battle pass. If you see this little glow on me, that's because I'm actually playing your goddamn game on a PS5. Stop with the battle pass. I mean, I can live with the challenges just fine. I'm like, okay, I'll do the challenges. I don't give a shite. I'll just do them and be done with it. I need to already complete like 150 games in order to completely unlock all the challenge heroes. And yet you're like, nah, let's just give them 2 free ones and then let Kitty Cole sit in the freaking battle pass. So you're basically making all new players feel like shit. And what happens when you have to update your game to say like, ooh, new battle pass or some shit like that? Because games actually have seasons. Most games that have a battle pass have a season. Rocket League, Fortnite, those 2 are games I play. Yeah, that have battle passes and work efficiently. Blizzard, Epic is doing better than you. They've already announced, hey, Season 1 of this game. What did you introduce in Overwatch 1? Loot boxes, which made everyone happy that you're giving them stuff whenever they win or do something, like level up. Which I don't really care about. What I care about is the goddamn battle pass parts. You're not owned by Epic. Be your own person. Stop going for whatever's most popular and what will get you the most money. Just go like for the features that you already have. Make that shit more expensive. Then deal with everything else. Don't give a shit. If you're running on low on money just because of fucking the goddamn inflation, make more games that people will actually enjoy. Like, take Overwatch 1, make it its own separate game. Take Overwatch 2, make it its own separate game. So that gamers like me can enjoy both games. And I get the open beta. I get that much. Because you need to make sure your game works first. Before anything else. How Scott tested his games? Using his goddamn children as test subjects to see if the game's scary or not, and if it will actually succeed. So yeah, I'm gonna work on getting Bastion. And have a great day, Blizzard, on being a dick.